friends, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Because it is snowing everywhere today, in honor of that, I wanted to do a really fun winter inspired design here. I am using this brush that I got from AliExpress, but I wouldn't recommend it. It was only $1 or something, but I could only use it a few times before it got completely ruined. So I will link the brush that I am using currently down below for you guys. I'm using two double dip colors today, sea glass and ivory white or soft white. And I'm going to show you guys how to do a super easy winter inspired ombre design. And I'm going to be adding to that, encapsulating some mylar flakes, and then we're going to add some bling and butterfly stickers, as well as a French nail design. So I am using my s&mnailcandimonomer. This is the Irresistible Sweets monomer. It is virtually no scented, you guys. Super good for people who are sensitive to monomer. It has almost no smell, and it has a sweet smell of vanilla. So highly recommend. Works great with all of my acrylic powders. If you guys are using any of Double Dip Store's powders, they have 2-in-1 dip and acrylic powders. You guys can use my code for 20% off, GlamNails20. That is going to get you 20% off your order. So I went in with the sea glass color on my first finger, and then on the middle finger here, I'm going in with the ivory white or soft white, and I'm applying this all over the nail here. Super easy, you guys. These are 2-in-1 powders. They work great with acrylic or as dip powders. So to begin the ombre, I am taking a little bit of this sea glass, putting it on the tip and blending it down. And these double dip powders, you guys, are super creamy, super easy to work with, and they create flawless ombre designs. So I'm taking the soft white here on the ring finger, and I'm applying that to the ring finger area. And I'm just building it up to get the opacity that I would like. And you guys can see how flawless that middle finger ombre there. Again, these are double dip powders, and we're going to be doing pastel ombre nails today. Here I'm just taking the sea glass and feathering it down really lightly towards the cuticle area. I just applied some there on the tip, and you get a flawless ombre design. So on this finger, I'm going to be doing a French design. So I am just applying the soft white to the nail bed area. And what's great, you guys, about doing French with pastel colors is it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. I am just using some brush cleaner here. I told you guys this brush was not the best. It only lasted me 3 or 4 applications, and I had to constantly clean it out during my application process. So I wouldn't recommend. The brush that I'm using now is, I went up in size, and I am using the KADS or CADS acrylic brush in size 16, and I really love it. So it works great. So I just use that French cutter tool to shape the soft white how I wanted to, and then I'm gonna build up the opacity there, and then I'm going to go around that with the sea glass. So while that's drying, I'm going to go in with a nice small layer of clear, and then I'm using these beautiful mylar flakes. I think they're blueberry mylar flakes or mint, and they are from Young Nails. I will link it down below for you guys. And I'm applying a really small layer of clear, and then I apply those mylar flakes right into that clear. And then here I am encapsulating this ring finger here. And you guys, I have been having issues lately with encapsulating and finding the perfect clear to encapsulate. So if anybody has tried the Young Nails Speed Clear, I would love to hear down below if you guys like that product or not for encapsulating. So I'm just finishing off encapsulating this mylar on the middle finger. And you want to make sure you encapsulate it really, really good with clear so that when you come to file, none of the color or mylar will come off. So I'm just doing this here, you guys, to all of the nails. And then I'm going to go back to that pinky, and then I'm going to finish off the French with the sea glass color. So you guys, to ensure that our French is absolutely perfect, I'm taking a file here and just filing around the base of the French, the nail bed area. And then I'm going to clean that off, and then I'm going to go in with a wetter bead of this sea glass color from doubledipstore.com. And I'm going to apply this really gently and carefully around the nail bed and then onto the rest of the nail. And then here, you guys, I'm just filing really, really lightly on that nail bed area so that any color of that French, of the sea glass that I accidentally got on the white, will come right off. And then I'm applying a really small layer of clear, and then I'm layering these beautiful mylar flakes over just that blue on the French nail, and then I'm going to encapsulate it. Alright, you guys, so I filed, buffed, and cleansed my nails off camera. I went in with some Orly Gel FX Builder in a Bottle, or any builder gel that you have. I went over that with the aimeili No Wipe Top Coat, and this is a perfect way to ensure, you guys, that your bling stays in place. I always do this. So again, it's builder gel, and then directly on top of that, uncured No Wipe Top Coat. And then go ahead with your bling application, and this keeps your crystals in place. So I'm just applying an assortment of blue crystals here, and then some different shaped AB crystals. I got these off of Amazon, and I'm just applying these on the pointer finger here to make a beautiful design. And the crystal picker upper that I'm using here is also from Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys. So same process to adhere my crystals here, applying some builder gel, going over that directly with a No Wipe top coat, and then going in with my crystals here on the ring finger. So you guys can see how beautiful this pastel ombre design came out, and we encapsulated those gorgeous mylar flakes, as well as created a flawless French design on the pinky. I absolutely love these nails. They're super wintry and gorgeous. So I'm just applying here some crystals on the ring finger, and then I'm going to give that a nice cure in the lamp. And then after I did that, I'm going over the rest of the nails with the aimeili No Wipe top coat, and I'm going to cure this in the lamp, UV LED lamp, and this one requires a 60-second cure. So I have these gorgeous holographic butterfly stickers here, and I did get these from Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys. And these are absolutely gorgeous, half wings and full butterfly designs. And I love that it's transparent, so you can put it directly over the nail before you actually put on the sticker to see exactly which one you want. And I am applying some of these to the ring finger. They're absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Highly recommend. Beautiful butterfly stickers here. And I'm just applying these onto the nail, and then after I do this, I would suggest to top coat again, just to ensure that those stickers are not going anywhere. So I'm going to do this on the nail, you guys, and apply these beautiful butterfly stickers onto the nail. So as I said, you guys, make sure you apply another thick layer of no wipe top gel to ensure that the stickers will stay in place and not move anywhere. You're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these gorgeous winter pastel nails with French design and encapsulated mylar. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!